I just walked with my client who came to me all the way from Singapore in the stormy rain that we had today. And the blood circulation in both of our body have improved a lot. We then worked on expanding his pupils in a very dark room. And then we went and were able to read print. You probably all can find it in my book, Vision for Life, and also in my book, Awakening Your Power of Self-Healing. And he was able to see smaller and smaller print. We covered his stronger eye and got him to read with his weaker eye. But the circulation was so good in his body and my body. And when the circulation is better, the body can comply better. I want to return to the beginning of my message of the week yesterday, and that's why we're putting both of them together. And this is that your best immune is your blood. The immune system is more powerful than any drug on earth unless it's compromised. And if it's not compromised, we ought to boost it. And not just with immune boosters, with circulation. And that's my message today. And that's what will be my message in all my workshops. Improve your circulation, and the white blood cells will destroy any virus or bacteria, known and now known to science. Because the most scientific thing to say, our body is powerful. I always say, if I did not help someone, it's not that it can't be helped. I just didn't find a way. And that's the feeling I have now, and that's the feeling I'll have forever. Many blessings, Meir. The blood can help you overcome immune much, much better than any injection that can cause you the disease itself. Come to the workshop of the 14th, and you will learn how to improve your own circulation, as well as your vision and other things. Look at our website.